Boku Instrument Company Limited is a leading professional manufacturer of electrochemical instrumentation and electrode, specializing in the research and development, production, and sales of high-quality products. Established in 2007, the company has been dedicated to providing innovative solutions for various industries, including environmental monitoring, water treatment, and industrial processes. One of the standout products offered by Boku Instrument Company Limited is the IoT Digital ORP Sensor. This cutting-edge sensor is designed with the characteristics of industrial sewage electrode, enabling it to work stably for extended periods. Equipped with a built-in temperature sensor, the sensor provides real-time temperature compensation, ensuring accurate and reliable measurements. With RS-485 signal output, the sensor boasts strong anti-interference ability, making it suitable for demanding industrial environments. Additionally, the output range of up to 500 M and the option for 24 VDC or 12 VDC power supply further enhance its versatility and usability. Boku Instrument Company Limited takes pride in its commitment to delivering products that meet the highest standards of quality and performance. The company's dedication to research and development ensures that its products are at the forefront of technological advancements, providing customers with state-of-the-art solutions for their specific needs. In conclusion, Boku Instrument Company Limited is a reputable and forward-thinking company that continues to make significant contributions to the field of electrochemical instrumentation and electrode manufacturing. With a focus on innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction, the company is well positioned to meet the evolving needs of various industries and remain a trusted partner for businesses seeking reliable and advanced solutions.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform.